Hey guys, welcome to the series. Have you ever wondered how you're gonna rig a production ready car? So yes, I brought you a brand new car rigging series. This car rigging will be beginner friendly and also the artist who already having a car rigging experience, he can also take a leverage of that because I'm also gonna teach how to do a car rigging with a structured workflow with proper system which we use in our production in the movies. So yes, be ready for that. And yes, before going further in the video, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe it, like it, and share with your friends. All right. So this video is going to be in few parts, and also I'm not going to use any kind of external plugins. So this will be I'm only gonna use only Maya built-in tools. So yeah, this will be much more easier to follow. So you only have to copy each step which I'm doing step by step. You just copy me, and by the end of this rigging series, you will have a rigged car ready with you, which you can use it for your upcoming projects or existing projects or making up in showreel, however you want to do. Yes, so let's go to the next part. About this car. This car is this is not my car. This is I have downloaded it from the internet. So yes, this is not mine. And you can also download it from internet. There are lots of free 3D cars are available. So yes, please have your own 3D car ready. Either you download it from internet, that work fine, or if you already have a modeled car with you, so you start pull up that in new Maya and start copying step by step, which I'm doing. So this is a Bentley vintage car, and I googled it. This is a 1928 8-liter car, obviously older than me. So yes, in this part we're gonna clean up this model so we can use it in the rig properly without having any kind of issues. So yes, first make sure clean up, edit, delete all by type history, and go for select the top group, then go for modify freeze transformations. So this will clean most of your model. And yes, so what I have done, I have made few groups for my reliability. So if you want, you can also do the same. So I have created 4 tire groups, and also I have set it up there the pivot. So front group pivot is little off in the x-axis, and from there we're gonna rotate the front tire because in the y-axis it's going to be the center of the tire, but in x-axis it has to be go little inside it from there where the mechanical parts are actually controlling the tire. So yes, be mindful of that if you want to have a real uh, rotation result, real pivot. So you will have a mechanism running in your car, any car, which you kind of sports car, any kind of car. This has to be somewhere in the mechanical part. So put your x-axis towards there. Yeah, so if I go to the back part of the tire and check the back part, so this is just a rolling. This is just, I guess, a motor part. This is just a rolling from the center, so it's totally fine over here. Or X, I can put it over here also in the center of the tire. So y-axis is the center. Y-axis is already in the center, and the x-axis is little inside. This is the way I like it, and this is how also a mechanical tire inside a car revolves. So yes, I grouped up few the tires, and also then uh, I have grouped up this front wheel sealed. I put it as like a wind glass. If I go F, the one more group I have made, so this pivot is here is totally fine because I'm gonna when I'm gonna control create a control, so this controller will be over here. So It's okay to be this pivot over here is fine. So I also make the front lamp group, and if I open it, so yeah, front left, front right, and these pivots are over there. So let's fix that. So I think this is going to be rotated like from here, or we can do the rotation from here, this part. So let's do the pivot of the top group over here. Why not? Okay, go to the vertex mode, zoom it. If you find any kind of center pivot, no, then don't worry about it. Select the loop, go for the cluster, and same thing I'm gonna do the other side. uh, Deformer, deform, and go check the cluster. So front, only put the cluster, isolate that, select the cluster only, isolate that. So I know this is front left, so I can just snap pivot without any difficulty. Press D and V, middle mouse, drag on the cluster, front right, and D and V and drag. So when our this thing is done, delete, you can delete the cluster. So now we're gonna check is over here. So now, yep. Okay. So this is left and this is right. So we have done the pivot on the other way. So let's just do something like this. Yes, isolate this, hide this lamp, and first fix the name because I have done the wrong naming. Right one, because the name already exists. Go for the left, all right, and now this is great. And now left, DV, snap it here. Now I'm correcting it, and the right should be on the right. All right, now remove the cluster, go here and unhide this so we can have our lamp rotating. So yes, as we can see, we have two models over here, which can be the part of the lamp. Let's do that too. Try to select that. No. Okay, put it in the layer, remove that. Okay, now this is left. So select left, press P. Now it's inside. Also put it in the layer, select object, add selected object. Now put it on the right side. H. Oh, sorry, not H, P. It should be painted over right and left. Cool. So left and right is done. Now we don't need this layer, delete the layer, and now we can see if you move it and you see, now this is good. So yeah, this kind of thing we're gonna do, whichever the group we need to act like as we're gonna control it as a one group. So group it, and yeah, so everything you're gonna see like the tire, the steering, the lights, and the hood. If and you must be, if you are have using the newest car, then there should be the front hood. This is a belted up, so we don't need to do that. So you're gonna need one more controller over here, and it will be able to open the front hood. So yes, group it up, everything which you need to be rotated. And yes, while we are going further more deep into the rigging, so we're gonna rotate one by sorry, we're gonna group one by one, whichever we need to act like as a one object. So yes, now this conclude our this session. So yes, please share and like this video, and yeah, I will meet you in the next video. We're gonna start putting up the joints, whichever the parts which needs to be moved. And then after that, we're gonna continue our session. So yes, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.